the state level of Taekwondo as Galilee Tinaya does his multi-directional kicking and self-defense. This is done with the idea of having multiple opponents striking in different directions and trying to apply the different skills of Taekwondo. And to cap this demonstration, the form that symbolizes the completion of your colored belt years, the first black belt form, or the choreo. A form that all black belts should know. Once again, we present to you the Philippine Taekwondo Association National Demonstration Team. Palakpakan po natin sila. You can be part of the demo team as long as you practice. We are inviting everybody when you become black belts. May we request the demo team to come on the stage. JP and Rani, please come on the stage. Everybody. Demo team, 3, 2,